How to protect personal valuables and sentimental items in divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. When going through a divorce, most people focus on dividing big assets like the house, cars, and bank accounts. But just as important, if not more emotionally charged, are personal valuables and sentimental items. These can include family heirlooms, photos, gifts, and keepsakes that may not have high dollar value but mean everything to you. Let's talk about how to protect those items during the divorce process. Start by making a detailed inventory of all your personal and sentimental belongings. List anything you want to keep that has emotional or personal significance, even if it's not technically valuable. This could include things like wedding gifts from family, inherited jewelry, or even your grandmother's old cookbook. Next, gather any proof of ownership or history. If an item was yours before the marriage, was inherited, or was a personal gift, it may be considered separate property under California law. The more documentation you have, like receipts, photos, or written notes, the easier it is to make your case. We helped a client who was worried about losing a collection of family albums in the divorce. They weren't worth much financially, but meant the world to her. We worked those items directly into the judgment, so there'd be no dispute and no confusion after the divorce was finalized. At Divorce 661, we help clients negotiate clear terms for dividing personal items, especially when emotions run high. We can include specific language in your agreement that protects these items and avoids future disagreements. If an item is contested, consider offering a trade-off, giving up something of equal value or less emotional weight to keep what matters most. And when necessary, mediation can help both sides come to an agreement on dividing items fairly. If you're in the middle of a divorce and want to make sure your sentimental and personal belongings are protected, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you document what's important, structure a clear agreement, and walk away with peace of mind.